Good day, my fellow traders. It's another wonderful time. So this is today's Sunday, 15th of October. I want to welcome you all traders to my video on my YouTube channel. Today is going to be more of a reflect on my last video. The trade I took, how it's going. Well, like I said, this is a challenge, 20 pip challenge, and I took the last video in a pace, in a fast pace, in order not to miss this trade. As you can see, this trade I took is going successfully. It's almost hitting the take profit. So the one, as you can see, the $1 um, 66 cents, that was the initial deposit, or $1 64 cents, which was the initial deposit. I think I did them some play arounds and added 2 cents, 0.2 cents to the balance here. I've been able to trade up to 18, from $1 to $18. As you can see, the trade is still on. We are almost in our take profit here from 10,500, and we are heading towards 9,500. As you can see, looking to our left, there's a huge it's going to meet up with a support zone. Hopefully it holds, but looking from my analysis which I've made on the weekly time frame, we're looking for the markets to come down to hit I think somewhere around 900 or so before pushing back up. So I also made mention of why I took the trade, on a, and I think I didn't do well in explaining in details um, the overall analysis I made coming from our monthly time frame. Yes, I mentioned something about we being in a downtrend, as you can see right from up here, going down, and a bit kind of consolidation. It looks like some sort of consolidation, but not necessarily. If you look deeply, I can't. This is my mobile phone. I may not be able to zoom perfectly well, but I tried doing some little justice to identifying out some other blocks, which is at this point here, this first rectangle that I draw across board here, this one here. Sorry, let me try and see if I can. Yeah, this one here, this first other block I drew here. Then I think this other one here too, as you can see. So we, like I said, we are making use of the smart money concept to take our trades, and we'll be adding other concepts in between later on, but majorly smart money concepts. So I took this trade looking, like I said, from when the downtrend, and let me come to the 1 week time frame. When downtrend, you can see the market moving from coming down, having your higher lows and your lower lows. Then we have the other block, and then this other block being mitigated. This one right here, this one, like the first one I pointed out to the let me point this one I pointed out to the first other block, and this the second. The market came to mitigate it here, and so it came down forming coming it's actually supposed to come to form some sort of lower low, but the market is very dynamic, and then it's making up this higher lows and lower lows right here. We are having some sort of inner trend line somewhere around here, like this, right? This trend line right here, but it's from my analysis, like I said, it's not actually in an uptrend. This is just some sort of should I say, ICT movement, where we are looking at the price moving, touching this trend line. It will probably come back to touch somewhere around here, this 800 also, I believe. If I Because I didn't draw my levels, but looking at this 800, it's also sort of similar to, see, it also seems to have some sort of support around that area. So matching up with the this trend line that I just drew, coming down to hit 800 before pushing back up, and then entering back into this other block zone. And then from there, we're looking at the market making a very huge push down. That's making, let me make an arrow. Yeah, yeah. So looking at market to hit this place, then we have um, another move from here down. So these market buyers have been able to try and anticipate the market movements for a very long, like ahead of time, something like that. So that's what we're looking at, and I hope the market moves in that manner, because there will be a lot of moves for us to catch. Whether we miss any or we don't miss any, we would at least maximize these moves. Um, without trying to make this video too long. Looking at what we've done here, we are still moving towards our take profits. Let me go to the lower time frame and show you how I was able to make out my trade. Like you can see the 1 minute time frame, and on the daily time frame rather. Yeah, if you look at the RSI here, you can see the divergence. You can see. Let me point it out for you to see. Uh, Let me make use of this. You can see on the chart here we're having these higher highs rather, and higher lows. While on the RSI here, you can see in between this 70 level, we are having lower highs and lower lows. All right, so shows you that this market is actually going to make a push down to at least this 800, or just somewhere around 8500 to 8800. That's the support level there. So uh, from that, I was able to take out this trade, and so far we're still moving. Well, I choose to take out, like I said, we are aiming for just only 20 pips, and here we've been able to cash about 100 pips or so. Yes, 100 pips, because like I said, the 20 pip challenge is supposed to have a initial balance of $20 to start, but I just tried to make it more fun and interesting to start with, at the least of about $1.50, and I traded up to $1.64 and I think 66, as we can see. And me starting out the challenge fully, I have just taken just a single trade. I had to put two positions opened for 100 pips, and so far we are $18 in profits, or $16 in profits rather, with a total sum of $18.24 in profit. But we're still looking at hitting the take profit, and then we will, like I said, I could have chosen to wait or hold the trade. Like I opened this trade yesterday, and it did wonders. Like this was why I opened the trade after it's coming to, you know, have these higher highs and equal highs rather, sweeping out liquidity and all of that SMC moves and every other thing. Then he pushed down, came back, retested our entry points, took out all the FC and the FVGs, the fair value gaps, and then today it's made a huge move. As you can see, the market, a very huge move from where our entry point down to this point where it is right now, and we are still looking at it making further moves to hit our take profits. As we can see, we're almost hitting our take profits. Yeah, so well, we'll still be looking at the markets and anticipating for the market to push down. So we can probably after hitting the support level, then we are looking at it coming back. That's now I'm talking about our next move um, for our next trade. We're looking at it coming back to hit this resistance here, like a break and retest kind of a thing. Move here, a break and retest probably. Let me check. I think there's some sort of another block around here. Like I made um yes, something around here, like this part here. So either it comes back to retest here or here. These are on the lower time frame. Okay, yeah, I think it's another other block here. Let me map it out. So we are having series of other blocks. We have the extreme, and then some in between. Let me map this out as a possible place for a retest from where it is right now. Yes, so the price should come back to retest here, if probably after hitting take profits, or if not, whether it comes to hit the take profits, we'll try and look at the market here, probably return to retest uh, these points right here that I just mark out here, and see if we can re-enter the markets at that point for our next trade. But whether that happens or not, we just have to wait and see. Like I have waited since I entered this market on I think Saturday. Today is Sunday. We're looking at markets. We either close out or hit take profit today or tomorrow. And that's one thing about forex trading. You have to have patience. If you are not patient, you reap out of the market, or you can't gain from the market. Forex trading has to take you have to have patience. Like if you can see, even look at my risk to win ratio. I took this is about 10 pips or so. Yes, 10 pips to 100 pips, or right? Yes, I think, yes, 100 pips, 10 to 100 pips. Yes, so that's a very good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, we're making progress. So after hitting this support, we can wait for a break and then a retest and probably enter the market, or it comes back somewhere, to check out all these fair value gaps that were left behind in the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. So let's just wait and see. This is just a check on the trade I took, our first trade, and so far we're making progress. And probably when we hit our take profit, I'll be making another video to show us um, the balance and what the next move we might be taking. So if you love the content I'm making, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, comment. See you on the next one.